pen 001 15K capacity egg production pen. It's a semi-automated system. Welcome back to BNF Farms. I know it's been a minute. I've been so engrossed with work. I've not had time to make this content, so you can see a lot of things has changed. We started the installation process for the cages and the automatic feed lines. You know, I said it was going to be an automatic system or semi-automatic system. So yeah, this is the egg collector. I'm going to show you a lot of things that we have done. Let's start this. This is the egg collector. With a press of a button, the eggs that have been laid each day will come here and arranged into crates, then taken to the store or the delivery van. So that's how it works. So it's semi-automatic, makes things a bit easier, less messy, because I want the staff to enjoy their job, to really enjoy their job. So let me show you a bit more. This is the silo where the feeds are stored. The feeds are going to be kept in the container temporarily, because we're going to start with that. Then later we build something a bit more permanent. But yeah, the feeds are going to be stored in the container. We're going to pour them in this big bucket. Now transferred into the silo. From the silo, you're now going to transfer them into this big bucket there at the top. Then it's not going to go down the conveyor belt, going down, feeding. This is how the feeds are going to come out. Once this is moving, in other videos to come, you're going to see how it works. So it goes down, feeding all the birds. Then this is what carries the eggs. Those eggs that I said, the egg collector there is going to be drop eggs. When the eggs falls in here, with the press of a button, this conveyor belt rolls gently, taking the eggs to the front. A little add-on, when I was buying this machine, this is an egg counter. Every egg that is produced and passes through the system is counted automatically, even though we're still going to do double counting before it goes into the store. So there's checks and balances in the system. So there you can see the cages. There are 4 layers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each line is going to carry 5,000 beds, and like I said in the original video, it's a 15,000 bed capacity. So yeah, this is how much work we've done. Thank God. It's not been easy, but thank God. So these are the water lines, drinkers they call it, the drinkers. So all of this is a water line. So it's 4 tails, 1, 2, 3, 4. Semi-automated, makes things a bit easier. I want to have good workers. Then yeah, let's go to the manure collector part at the end. This is the manure scraper. This is the line. You know that manure scraper machine, the electric motors that help with the scraping, scrapes the manure from the beginning to the end, and this rope helps. This is the same rope used in ships for heavy duty materials. So yeah, it's the same. So it's going to scrape it down here, and then this is also going to be scraped into a manure collector at the end. That will help dog gets to suck away, because we plan on using a manure dryer because of biosecurity, to make it nicer. We're drying it faster and it's going into the market as soon as possible. So yeah, this is the whole process. A closer view at the scraper. It's beautiful to see. Yeah, I know. And like I said in the earlier video, the space at the top helps with ammonia buildup. So there's a lot of ventilation because it's an open system. It's a lot of ventilation, a lot of air, so they don't fall sick. We'll be expecting some birds in 3 weeks are day-old birds. I'm going to tell you more about it when we get to the other pen, the brooder pen. You can see workers are working on the site. It's still a site, by the way. They're trying to make the staff quarters habitable because I have 3 weeks to be ready because my first set of day-olds are arriving. Our first set of day-olds are arriving. It's going to be going into our brooder pen, which you're going to see in a minute. But this needs to be ready before the birds come so the staffs can have a comfortable place to sleep, do their shifts, all of that. The brooder pen is ready. So let's go. The storehouse, it's the egg storehouse basically. And they're fixing the doors, trying to hasten the process, make it fast. That's the iron bender. It's trying to reinforce the suckery for waste. Because you know, when they start moving, you're gonna have the shower, they're gonna use the toilet. So this also needs to be ready as soon as possible. Comes to the hole with dog. You want to see a hole? You want to see a hole? Ow. Okay. The sockaway baskets have been casted. So they're going to carry each of these pillars. They're going to help reinforce the sockaway. They're going to help reinforce the sockaway. Are this room they do for PVC ceiling, Abby? Okay. Okay. So where PVC ceiling. This room has been done. Other rooms are going to be done. So the carpenter just brought some more wood. Like I said, we're in a haste. So there's really no time for delays.
Na keke you use? Na keke I dey pay 20,000 naira.
Oga, which motor go carry people come here for that price?
That other last time, na keke you use second time.
The one no go pass that late.
How many would they here now?
I can't get you to do that.
So don't bring wood though. It's not good. Dark. When the brooder is dark and seems insulated because they all need heat. There's a temperature range they work with to survive. We're going to clean this place twice. We're going to also clean it with some cleaning agents, some chemicals before they arrive. But this is just to show you what we have done so far. This is the water line. It drops to the ground. It uses that. This is what we use to drop the feed line and the water line. Once you turn it, it either goes up or it goes down. That's what this is for. It helps with the water line and the feed line. It's also semi-automated in the sense that you don't have to pour water in buckets like manual with. There's an overhead tank. The tank was outside, you saw it. It's going to be put on here, and then this guy needs to reduce the height of this. This is so high, by the way. Just noticing that. Okay, it's going to be fixed anyways. Then the feed is going to be poured in here with the press of a button there. The feed is going to be sent in to this. All of them, so you can fend for all the birds. This place seems hotter because this temperature is going to be maintained, and we still haven't put in heaters or heating system or a source of heat. We're still trying to decide the cheapest form of heat, if it's going to be coal, if we're going to use gas, if we're going to use electricity. So yeah, I'm going to discuss with the consultants because I'm not doing this alone. I'm working with experts in the business, so we don't make any mistakes because this is serious business right here. So yeah, here seems hot.
because it's supposed to be hot.